Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern Christmas poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. I have these colors, which I will use in the design. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply the gradient to it. Select the first point from the gradient panel, and use the eyedropper tool to apply the color. Repeat this with the other point, and change the gradient to radial. Select the line tool and draw a straight line. Apply a white stroke color to it. Increase its weight a bit. Then go to Distort and Transform, and choose Zigzag. Follow the settings. Select the Polygon tool and click on the artboard. Set the sides to 3 to create a triangle. Select the zigzag line, go to the Object menu, and expand Appearance. Then delete the triangle. Open the stroke options and click on dashed line. Select the background and use the gradient tool to set the gradient. Select the star tool and draw it. Apply the white color to it. Add an outer glow to it. Then copy it and paste it in front. And apply a Gaussian blur to it. Now I have this airplane vector. Place it on the other side of the line. Select and lock the background. Then place the glitter effect into the design. And change its blend mode to color dodge. Create a rectangle using the rectangle tool. And apply a black and white gradient to it. Select both and open the transparency panel, then click on the Make Mask button. Then select and copy the dashed lines. And paste them in front. Select them, increase their width. And apply a Gaussian blur to them. Set the opacity to 50%. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow the text settings. Unlock the background. Use the Artboard tool, hold the Alt button, and drag for a copy of it. Then click on the Recolor button to change the colors. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thank you for watching.